In today's Vikram on Prudent Finances video, we are sharing how to get started with the BBVA Compass Clear Spend Prepaid Visa Card. Now, let's take things further in terms of the first step, which is involved in getting started card. You get the app and the card. This app is available for both iOS and Android devices. We've in fact provided the respective links to each store in the description of this video. You simply need to click on that depending on the device, the OS that you have, and then you can quickly get this app. Beyond that, of course, you need the prepaid card as well. For that, you can either apply online or directly from the app. We suggest and recommend that you apply for the prepaid card online, which is why we've also provided the direct link to the application page for this particular card in the description of this video right up front. So you can then apply for your card, get the card, and then go in for the application. That would be the correct process, the correct way in which you could go through the various steps. With that done, with the card and the app in place, the second step would be to load funds. Now, when it comes to loading funds on your BBVA Compass debit card, it's actually very easy. You can do it directly from your debit card, or you can set up direct deposit. When it comes to loading cash, you can do so at any Visa ReadyLink location or even a BBVA Compass branch. Further, if that is not enough, there are other ways in which you can transfer money, which include PayPal, Venmo, Pop Money, or just about any such transfer service. In that regard, what we suggest is that you do review this link about loading your card, you're loading your BBVA Compass card, and for that again we provided the link. Once you're on the page, you'll be able to review this as well. Now, with those two steps in place, the third and final step would actually be to, of course, start spending, which is start using your prepaid debit card. You can bear in mind, be rest assured that you can pretty much do it for every single transaction possible. So whether it's your day-to-day spending, whether it's your online spending, spending for your household, just about any expense and that you can think of, you can use your ClearSpend prepaid prepaid debit card for that. And after 30 days is when the ClearSpend app will automatically start suggesting a budget, because by then it would have had an idea in terms of the expenses that you incur. Which is why again we reiterate that first get the card, then the app. That's the order which you should follow. And as long as you go through these steps, you've got the card, you've applied online for it, the card is with you, then you've got the app depending on the device that you have. With those two things in place, you've loaded funds onto your card, and then you've started spending for a month. That's when the app, the usefulness of the app, the value add of the app will be rather obvious to you. So these are the things that we wanted to showcase in today's video as a part of highlighting the value add that this particular BBVA Compass ClearSpend prepaid Visa card offers, which we definitely wholeheartedly recommend. So cheers and thanks so much for watching today's Vikram on Prudent Finances video. Stay tuned for a whole lot more.